Does your car have a odor to it, a smell you just can't get rid of? But here's a couple things you can try to help it out. First would be to change the cabin filter. It's my wife's car. It's a 2021 Nissan Rogue, but most newer cars has cabin filters. So if you hadn't changed it, that'd be the first step. This one here, you just unhook the little spot on the right side, and then you have two latches on both sides. It'll come right down. Then you have the cabin door. You just pop it off. It's really easy to remove. And once you get it undone, you just slide the cabin filter out. I've never changed this one here, and this car's almost 4 years old, so it's a little dirty. You can see down in the grooves. I'll show you here how it looks. I just picked a new one up. So here's the old one. You can see if you see down in there how dirty it is. You just get a new one and slide it in, and on this one here, you just make sure the arrow's down where it's blowing down it to the floor. You don't want to do it reverse, but like I said, then it just put the cabin door back on, and glove box snaps right back on, and there you have it. That's pretty easy. The second step is I'm gonna put some air freshener in, odorizer in the vents to help flush it out. First thing is have your air conditioner turn wide open, and where you make sure the recirculation button is turned off, so it'll get outside air. So the next step, you want to come around to your hood. On this one here, you have to raise up the hood to get to the vent. You see the vent right in there. You just get some deodorizer or air freshener, but make sure it kills germs and stuff too. That way, if there's any type of mold in your car or something, it'll help out get rid of that. Just spray it in there, and then I let my air conditioner run for another 4 or 5 minutes or so to blow everything through there. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave any comments, and subscribe to my channel.